Hi guys, so today I'm doing this video to update you guys about my Invisalign treatment. I have actually completed the treatment for quite a while ago, but I actually didn't really have the time to make a video to talk about it. So anyway, let's head over to Orchard Scots Dental and get things started. I'm here at Orchard Scots Dental for my Invisalign treatment. It's my last session here and I'm really excited to hear what the doctor said about my result. Hi Dr. Tan.
Hi
So
Zohan.
what are we going to do today?
Today is your last session here with us, so you actually just remove your attachments with my hygienist. So we are going to be using the iTero to do a scan. Basically, it's a digitized impression of your teeth, so that we can actually fabricate your retainers for you.
Yeah, I think I did earlier on before I started.
Yes, you did. Yeah, so you did. So the iTero is pretty good in the sense that it actually replaces the physical impression that we take, the mold. So yeah, so a lot of patients complain about the discomfort when they take the mold. So the iTero actually is a very good alternative, when it comes to that. So we could actually just do a scan in your mouth without taking the mold. We can actually fabricate you your retainers. The good thing about iTero is that there's less rejection, so it comes back with a very nice fit on your teeth. So less likely we will have to remake your retainers. Yeah, more accurate. Less likely that we need to actually send your case back and do another mold and things like that. So we have been facing less rejections when it comes to inserting into our patients' teeth.
That's nice. Okay, so we start on the scanning first?
Yep, so right now we'll just go ahead with the scan.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. So Zohan, so we have just done the scan, so this is the final scan that you see. So are you satisfied with your new smile?
Yeah, definitely. I feel much more confident now as compared to the past. So I would like to thank Orchard Scots Dental for being so nice, taking care of me.
No worries, no worries. Thank you for wearing your aligners very well though.
Yeah, no problem. That's about it. That's my last session with Dr. Tan to get my teeth reviewed and also to make my retainers. As you guys can see now, my teeth have gotten really straight and I'm really pleased about it. I would definitely smile more often. It is actually quite convenient for me because I only need to visit the clinic every other month, and depending on individual, they will issue you 3 to 4 sets of aligners every time you visit. Of course, when you visit the clinic, they will review your process and advise you whether to wear more often or to brush more regularly and stuff like that. Also, for each aligners, right, you have to wear about 2 weeks before you change a new one. Pain. Actually, I don't feel much pain throughout this whole journey, and of course, it is definitely not as bad as braces, but you will feel a little bit uncomfortable and tight whenever you put a new set of aligners, and the tightness and a little bit of uncomfortable, like a little bit of pain, right, will go away after 2 to 3 days if you wear more than 22 hours. Okay guys, so that's about it. It's just a little quick update about my Invisalign treatment. A lot of you guys have been asking me about it and I'm really sorry for this, for being so late. Yeah, so click the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and make sure to read my blog to know more about it. Bye bye!